2021 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 63,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input. Take home the car of your dreams today.